Social partnership, the Welsh way. The Welsh Government wants social partnership to become the way we work. Back in 2019, Mark Drakeford said, "Social partnerships puts trust, engagement and dialogue at the heart of problem solving." Since devolution, we have encouraged social partnerships as the best means of finding solutions to the challenges facing Wales, based on meaningful and honest collaboration between government, employers and worker representatives. In this Welsh way, we all take shared ownership of problems in Wales and a shared commitment to finding joint solutions. Our model of social partnership adopted by the Welsh Government is designed to improve public services and create a strong economy based on fair work and sustainability. It encourages employers and trade unions to work together to build a better economy and society, putting trust, engagement and dialogue at the heart of solving some of our biggest problems. We want social partnership working to become the way we do things in Wales. What is social partnership? Social partnership means employers, workers and sometimes government working together to exchange views, identify common goals and work together to find solutions that benefit everyone. It's not a new thing. The social partnership approach is used in the NHS, local authorities and some parts of the education sector. It was very much Welsh Government's way of working during the pandemic, when the First Minister brought key players together on the response to COVID-19. And now we want to improve and extend social partnership working to public bodies listed under the Wellbeing of Future Generations Act. In these public bodies in Wales, employers and trade unions, or staff representatives, will come together to make sure that workers' voices are heard and can influence decision-making across a range of subjects. Social partnership has different forms depending on the context, but generally, at a national level, it means the Welsh Government coming round the table with employers and trade unions, and then, because, as the First Minister says, the person coming through the door is an expert in their own right. Having the voice of the workers involved in decision-making makes for better decisions and a fairer and healthier workplace. And ultimately, that makes Wales an even better place to live. To find out more about the Social Partnership and Public Procurement Wales Act, go to gov.wales, where you can download the resources and sign up for our newsletter.